How do we talk to computers? How do we ensure that messages sent through noisy channels arrive uncorrupted? And more importantly, how do we ask the right questions that lead to groundbreaking discoveries? One man spent his life answering these questions: Richard Hamming. Richard Wesley Hamming was born in 1915 in Chicago, Illinois. He studied mathematics at the University of Chicago before earning his Ph.D. in 1942 from the University of Illinois. But it wasn't numbers alone that fascinated him, it was the application of mathematics to real-world problems. During World War II, Hamming contributed to one of the most secretive and consequential projects in history, the Manhattan Project. He worked on numerical methods to help in the design of atomic bombs. But Hamming's real impact came in the years that followed. After the war, Hamming joined Bell Labs, a place where the future of computing was being shaped. Here, he encountered a frustrating problem. Computers of the time were unreliable, constantly producing errors due to electrical noise. Rather than accepting this as inevitable, Hamming saw an opportunity. His solution: the Hamming code, one of the first and most important error-detecting and error-correcting codes. His work allowed computers to automatically fix corrupted data, paving the way for reliable digital communication. Today, every time you send a text, stream a video, or store a file on a hard drive, Hamming's ideas are at work behind the scenes, ensuring your data stays intact. But Hamming's genius extended beyond mathematics. He believed that science wasn't just about solving problems, it was about choosing the right problems to solve. He famously gave a talk called You and Your Research, challenging scientists to work on what truly matters, not just what is convenient. He urged researchers to ask themselves, are you working on the most important problem in your field? If not, why not? His philosophy continues to inspire scientists, engineers, and thinkers today. Hamming's influence stretches far beyond his own lifetime. His ideas laid the groundwork for modern error correction, digital communication, and even aspects of artificial intelligence. His curiosity and drive to tackle the hardest problems changed how we interact with technology. Richard Hamming was more than just a mathematician. He was a visionary, a problem solver, and above all, a scientist who dared to ask the big questions. The world of computing owes much to his relentless pursuit of knowledge. So the next time you send an email, store a file, or make a phone call, remember the man who made it all possible. Richard Hamming, the mathematician who taught computers to think.